복잡한 빌딩 숲일 줄만 알았던 서울에서 그는 마치 시간이 멈춘 듯한 고요한 세상을 마주했습니다. 실제 주민들이 살아가는 한옥마을의 골목길과 왕들이 거닐던 창덕궁의 비밀스러운 정원까지 그는 서울의 깊은 역사와 푸른 자연이 주는 평화로움에 완전히 매료되었는데요. 걱정 반 기대 반으로 맛본 한국의 말차 라떼부터 남산 위에서 내려다본 서울의 전경, 그리고 얼큰한 순두부찌개와 달콤한 막걸리 한 잔에 이것이 진정한 행복이라며 감탄을 쏟아냈습니다. 화려한 도시 이면에 숨겨진 서울의 진짜 낭만과 맛, 그가 발견한 힐링 여행기를 지금 시작합니다.
Hey, good morning. Today we are headed to the Hanok village. We just took the bus and then the train and we're walking over now. And I'm excited to see. It's a nice day. It's a little bit cloudy, but I think it's going to be nice and we'll probably get some coffee and you know, all the things. Do the drill. There are so many little streets and nooks and crannies here. Okay, we've just been kind of exploring the village. It's so nice here, but you have to be quiet. I do feel really bad for the people who live here because I feel like this would be really annoying, but yeah, we're just gonna look around and it's really beautiful. Okay, we've come to Apostolic Tea House to get a iced matcha latte, so we're gonna have to taste test that. It's very peaceful here, very calming. I think it's pretty good.
Funny, look at your lip.
That's how I drink it, I guess.
You're like pouting, it looks like.
Okay, we've now come to the palace. We're at Changdeokgung. I don't know if that's how you say it, but we're gonna walk around a little bit, and then we got tickets for the secret garden as well. But entry's at a specific time, so we're probably gonna spend over an hour and then go in there and look around. But it's very peaceful. Everything's very chill, I would say, even though it is busy. But yes, let's look around. Okay, now we have entered the secret garden and we're gonna do a little walk around. I will say we're getting kind of tired, so we might not be doing too much, but it's very nice, very green so far. Okay, today we are headed to the Namsam Seoul Tower. We're gonna take the cable car up to the top because you can walk, but we've been battling with the hills and struggling, so we're just gonna take the cable car. I think it's 15 per adult for round trip, which isn't too bad, so we're just gonna do it, and also you'll get nice views. So I'm already out of breath because we're walking up a little hill. Yeah, I couldn't do this for 55 minutes. No, I can't. My feet cannot handle it. Okay, we made it up to the top of the tower. It's a little bit of a hazy day, but the sun's coming out, and we've been trying to take photos, but it's a little bit difficult. And then I think we're gonna try to get some lunch after this because I'm getting hungry. Okay, we're at Grain Soul, and you pick your own items and make your own brunch. So I got Earl Grey zucchini loaf, and then mozzarella and tomato, sausage, and scrambled egg. And it looks so good. Okay, let's try the egg. I love how they're like really soft scrambled eggs. Good. Here's sausage. Finally eating vegetables also. We're grocery shopping. Okay, we're on a little hikey walk now to the artificial waterfall. I think it's about like 20 minutes or so, and we're walking kind of through the forested area. And yeah, I'm excited to see this waterfall. We just kind of rested for a bit at home after we got the groceries, and now we're doing our second outing. Waterfall! Yay! It's so pretty. The next day we had a little bit of a later start, but we went to get a little view of the city, and then we checked out another palace, and then for some reason my audio got messed up. But we went for lunch. It was really good. We got steamed egg, tofu stew of course, and then bibimbap, and of course all the sides. It was super yummy, and of course the stew was my favorite. And we got some of this Korean rice wine. This is called makgeolli, which I only tried once and I really liked it. It's very subtle, so we're gonna try it. I think I'll try it. It looks, yeah, it's just telling me to get the bowl. I got a bit. Why do I feel like it's gonna explode? Bring me your bowl, please. How much alcohol is it? Let's toast each other. I'm just gonna. Did you get 1 second of day? Okay, try. I like it. It's like very nice. Picture? You want a group picture? Sure. Okay. Thank you. They got steamed up. She got fogged up.
오늘 영상은 어떠셨나요? 그는 고즈넉한 후원의 숲길부터 활기찬 남산의 풍경까지 서울이 가진 반전 매력에 마음을 뺏긴 듯 했습니다. 특히 자신의 취향대로 즐긴 브런치도 훌륭했지만 뜨끈한 순두부찌개와 부드러운 막걸리의 조화는 그에게 잊지 못할 소울푸드가 되었습니다. 오디오가 고장나는 작은 해프닝조차 웃음으로 넘길 만큼 완벽한 휴식을 선물한 서울 여행. 단순한 관광을 넘어 외국인에게 한국의 멋과 맛을 깊이 각인시킨 시간 정말 뿌듯하지 않나요? 오늘 영상이 마음에 드셨다면 가시기 전에 구독과 좋아요를 부탁드리며 많은 의견 자유롭게 댓글로 남겨주세요. 감사합니다.